See how like skinny my arms are and it still jiggles? It sucks. Felt tip liners. Let's be sophisticated and get the terms right. I'm gonna do something about my lighting situation. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial using the Modern Renaissance palette. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette put together. So lately I have been kind of into colors, otherwise I pretty much stick to my neutrals. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. And because we have a lot of steps, I thought of not doing anything to my face today and just doing everything on camera. So yeah. I'm going to be using the Innisfree green tea lotion to moisturize. It smells so good. Like, if you guys haven't tried the Innisfree, you gotta try this. I'm using the tone adjusting primer from e.l.f. Any redness that you have, you can see I have acne spots and stuff, so it kind of reduces all the redness on your face. So this is a really good primer if you guys want to like try it out. It's also very affordable. I think this whole thing was like $12. Now I'll prep my face using the MAC Prep. I can like never say this right. MAC Prep+Prime Fix Plus. For my foundation today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I absolutely love this foundation. I am in the shade Soft Beige. It just matches my skin so perfectly. Just place dots all over my face. So, and this is a pretty matte foundation. Now that so I like to use foundation first with a brush and then with a beauty blender. And you always want to wet your beauty blender first. So of course you can use a concealer all over your face if you want to, but I think I want to leave and skip the concealer for my spots because you could barely even see them. And if it shows through a little bit, I'm okay with it. For concealer today, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. Like literally, it's world's best concealer ever. But you know what? I made a boo-boo. So last year when I ordered this, I kind of ordered it online and I didn't check properly how the color was going to be, and I ordered it like a shade lighter. So I just use it to highlight my face instead of anything else. And trust me, it's so full coverage that a little goes a long way, so you don't want to use a lot. I can't wait this year when I go back to buy my right shade. I'm just like... Sorry, I didn't show this to you guys. It's the Fit Me loose powder that I bake with. It's in the shade light medium, so it's not like baking, but I'm gonna put some powder so when I do my eyes and stuff it doesn't fall out and stick to it. So today I'm using the Loreal Brow Artist Brow Promade. Do I absolutely love it? No, I don't. That's because I'm biased towards benefit. I just can't, my life just seems to be incomplete without benefit, so yeah. But it's not bad, guys. It's just like such a tedious process. I can't wait to microblade my brows. Oh my god. I already got an appointment, so I'm really excited. They look really good. I mean, you're paying 700 bucks, so it's cheap. I'm gonna go in with the burnt orange all over my lid. These shadows are so damn pigmented. So pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with the Realgar. I'm just gonna keep that towards the outer corner and a little bit above my crease. Really not focusing it on my eyelid. I'm gonna take a clean brush and just like buff that out. Now I'm gonna go into red ochre. Put that in my outer corner. Keep it to the outer corner, that burnt red or pink. And then whatever the leftover is, just drag it inside. Go into Love Letter. This beautiful pink. Keep it close to the lash line. And just place the color first. Now taking a fluffy brush and the same color, I'm just gonna blend the orange and the pink together. Take a clean brush, sort of just feathery strokes and you circle. I sort of like mine out. If you, depending on how you would want your shadow, you could just do that. Now I'm gonna just dust off the powder that I had. For me, I really think that what brings an eye look together is doing the top and the bottom. You can't just like do your top and just leave the bottom. For my bottom lashes, I'm gonna start with the Venetian Red right here on a flat brush. Just in the center, I'm gonna push it. I'm just placing the color right now and blending it outward. And now I'm gonna take Love Letter, the older pink that I had, and place it in the same place. Now I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Realgar, which is the orange here, and I'm going to be placing it underneath the pink. I'm going to take Fresco. It's this pinkish nude shade, and I'm just going to blend those two out. Alright, so I quickly did my other eye off camera. I know that my face just looks crazy right now. Don't worry. For bronzing today, I'm using my ever so favorite butter bronzer, Eye Physicians Formula. If you guys ever means ever, get your hands on this butter bronzer, please go buy it. And then thank me later. From the top of my ears to down, just very light. If you have a big forehead like I do, you want to bronze your forehead, especially the sides, just towards your hairline. Like so. Don't bring it like here. This is supposed to be highlighted. Take this big fluffy brush, swirl the shit around, and just give myself a chiseled jawline, because you know, I ain't got time for that. So since one kind of bronzer isn't enough, I'm going to be using my trusted Hoola on this big brush. Just swivel. Very feathery strokes. That's how you blend the shit. Okay. Using the Tarte Amazonian clay, I think, in Peaceful. It is this beautiful coral blush. Take this flat, go deep in it, and just stamp it. And go a little over my bronzer. Alright, so let's line these bitches. Can't use such words anyway. That looks amazing. I'm so proud of myself. Pat, pat, pat. Now I'm taking my trusted Nykaa Creamy Kajal Pencil and I'm just going to tight line my top so this look just like looks pulled together. That was quick. This is so creamy. You just do it once and boom, done. Using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara. Kaushal Beauty swears by this, and I swear by her. She's like my ultimate. So I'm going to use this highbrow pencil from Benefit to do my waterline. So for highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Highlighting Mega Glow. Okay, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the shade Precious Petals. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I think that's good enough. And a little bit here. Okay, am I shiny enough? A little bit here. And a little bit here. Ugh, I'm glowing to the gods. That's what I was going for. The brush, spray some MAC Fix Plus and dip it into the highlighter. It's crazy. And give yourself a crazy inner corner. Let me clean it up a little. There's a lot of foundation sitting on it. Anyway, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Satin in the shade Magic Wand. Now this is a beautiful shade that you absolutely cannot see because, you know, it doesn't show up. It's like nudist of the nude. All done. This is my look. One more thing. That was a lot of spraying. So it primes your face before you do your makeup. After you do your makeup, it locks your makeup in place and just melts everything beautifully. So the highlighter, the bronzer, everything just melted in beautifully and you have this flawless makeup face. I'll pretty much see you guys in my next video. Bye! Say hello! Subscribe to my mom's channel! Bye!